When we think of sugary drinks, it's usually in terms of a quick burst of energy, a comforting treat, or a refreshing companion on a warm day. Rarely do we imagine that the same sugar fueling our short-term pep could also be secretly coaching cancer cells, helping them gain strength, speed, and agility. Yet the recent study in Nature Metabolism reveals just that, showing how fructose and glucose from sugary beverages interact with the enzyme SORD to enhance colorectal cancer cell movement and metastasis. While the concept might sound alarming, the research also offers an encouraging perspective. Understanding the process gives scientists and individuals alike tools to intervene and regain control. Imagine the body as a city full of citizens going about their daily routines. Most cells maintain order, repairing damage, communicating with neighbors, and supporting the infrastructure that keeps everything running smoothly. Cancer cells are like sedentary residents who suddenly get a personal trainer, suddenly motivated, energized, and capable of moving faster than ever. Sugary drinks act as that trainer, delivering fructose and glucose to SORD, the enzyme that acts like a fitness coach. Under normal conditions, SORD is a quiet metabolic worker, efficiently processing sugars for regular cellular activity. But when sugary drinks flood the system, SORD turns on the turbo, converting sugar into energy that cancer cells can use to train, gaining the mobility they need to leave their home neighborhood and invade new areas. What starts as a simple indulgence, a soda, juice, or sweet tea, translates into a molecular workout session that strengthens rogue cells in ways the body never intended. The positive takeaway is that this story is no longer mysterious or abstract. The research identifies the exact pathway through which sugar enhances cancer cell mobility, illuminating the role of SORD as a key facilitator. When science maps the mechanism with such precision, it opens doors for targeted interventions. Future therapies could aim to regulate or inhibit SORD activity, essentially removing the personal trainer from the equation and preventing cancer cells from gaining the energy boost they need to metastasize. This precision turns what could be seen as an uncontrollable risk into a tangible target, giving hope for smarter, more effective treatment strategies. At the same time, the study provides practical guidance for everyday life. Reducing sugary drink consumption is no longer just about calories, weight, or diabetes risk. It becomes a deliberate step to remove the fuel that cancer cells could exploit. Choosing water, unsweetened beverages, or whole fruit over sweetened drinks is like depriving the rogue cells of a personal trainer, slowing their progress, and tipping the balance in favor of healthy cells. Every choice becomes a preventive act, a small but meaningful way to influence the internal environment of the body and reduce cancer's ability to spread. The research also highlights a crucial nuance. SORD itself is not harmful. It is an essential enzyme in normal metabolism, supporting the body's energy needs and cellular function. The problem arises only when excess sugar combines with cancer cells. This specificity is empowering because it means that interventions can be precise, targeted, and minimally disruptive to healthy biology. Rather than broad or extreme measures, we have a pathway that can be modulated intelligently, giving both scientists and individuals actionable strategies to reduce risk. Ultimately, from couch to cologne, reframe sugary drinks from innocent indulgences to influential players in cancer progression, but in a way that is both informative and empowering. It transforms a scary, invisible process into a clear, understandable mechanism. Knowledge becomes a tool to intervene, awareness becomes prevention, and lifestyle choices become an active defense. The sugar may be acting as a trainer for cancer cells, but science and informed decision-making give us the ability to bench that trainer, slow the rogue cells, and protect the body. Far from a story of inevitability, this research presents a hopeful vision. The more we understand, the more we can guide the body toward resilience, balance, and control over cancer's movements.